Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we'll be trying out the additive product called liqui moly catalytic system cleaner. It's an additive to go into the fuel tank. So I've heard a lot about it. As I'm in Europe, I couldn't get the cata clean, but researched even more and found out the liqui moly works better than the cata clean. So here we are. I'm currently driving a Peugeot 206cc. You can see the kilometers it has run to. A little bit of engine light, but whenever I start it goes away. So yeah, I'm gonna add it to the fuel tank. You can see the fuel line as well. It's not full, it's not empty. It's like quarter part of the fuel tank. So I'm gonna add it to the fuel tank, ride it for like 5 or 6 kilometers, and I'm gonna add more fuel to it, more like 3/4 parts of the fuel tank, and let it run for till the fuel tank becomes empty, and then we'll see how much this works. I will show you the specs. You can see like currently it uses like 7.41 liters per 100 kilometers, and I don't know what that is. This says like 200 kilometers till we refuel the tank, but this isn't like too much accurate because I don't know how much fuel I'm putting in. So yeah, we'll count by this. Currently we have 7.41 liters per 100 kilometers. So we'll add this bad boy here, and then in the next fuel cycle, like whenever I put the fuel next time, then we're gonna see if it changes, and I'll post the update video next time. So that will be a separate one. So this one and the other one will be separate. So I'm gonna put it right now. Let's go. Alright, I'm back with a few kilometers of run, probably like 5 or 6. You can see in the dashboard. The engine light is still there, but whenever I start up, it goes away, so nothing much of a problem right now. So yeah, as you guys saw in the video, there was no any smoke coming out of the exhaust pipe because I think I just added the additive into the fuel. The fuel line was still full, and the additive has to go into the system, go through the fuel injectors, and then go through the catalytic converter. So yeah, I think the product needs some time to reach from the fuel tank to the catalytic converter. Also, I think it'll need like a full cycle of the fuel tank, because the product of course has to cannot like do work right away, because first it has to break the dirts and the things, so it has to break it down first, and then I think we will be able to see the smoke coming out of the exhaust pipe. It's not like it doesn't happen like magic, you know. We just put in there, rev the car, and then the smoke comes out of the exhaust pipe. I don't think it's gonna happen. So yeah, tomorrow I still haven't filled up the fuel, so you can see the fuel bar right there, and it's a little bit darker, but I haven't added the fuel yet. So tomorrow I'm gonna add the fuel, add the gasoline in the tank, and then go to the ride for like 15 kilometers away. So there'll be 15 go and 15 come. It'll be like 30 in total. So I guess I'll have to see how it goes after that. My car is gonna, well, I hope it's gonna run smoother. Yeah, see you in the next video. That's it. I'm gonna post a new update really soon. So that's it for now. See you in the next video. Peace.